Japanese maple bonsai tree care. Welcome. Today, we explore the enchanting Japanese maple bonsai tree. The Japanese maple, Acer palmatum, is a popular bonsai choice known for its delicate leaves and stunning colors. Japanese maples have small, lobed leaves that display vibrant hues, transforming with the seasons. Japanese maple bonsai come in various sizes and shapes, from compact to cascading, offering unique charm. Proper care includes well-draining soil, partial shade, regular watering, fertilization, and pruning. Pruning and training shape the bonsai's form, achieved through careful trimming and wiring techniques. Japanese maples showcase a vibrant transformation throughout the seasons, from new leaves in spring to colorful displays in autumn. Japanese maple bonsai enhance any display, with captivating colors and unique forms in traditional pots or on elegant stands. The Japanese maple bonsai is a masterpiece of nature. Create a living work of art with patience, care, and artistic vision. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Japanese maple bonsai.